Hi friends, welcome to Epidaga's Dumbbox. This is Akshay Daga and today I will demonstrate you TalkBack application from ThinkSpeak server using Node MCU board. In previous video we have already seen same application using Arduino Mega board, and you can see some more videos in which I have already demonstrated you how you can use Node MCU using Arduino IDE board, how you can configure it to be compatible with Arduino IDE board. This is Node MCU, you can see it. For this experiment, physical connections are nothing. You just need to connect this Node MCU using this micro USB cable to your laptop, and whatever driver you need to install and everything that I have already demonstrated in previous video. Links for that video will be given in the description, or otherwise you can check it on my channel. You will find those videos also. So right now, what I'll do, I'll connect this Node MCU to my computer using USB cable, micro USB cable. Then we have to follow these steps to sign up on ThinkSpeak server. We have already done that in our previous video, you can check that. And we have gone to TalkBack application and created two TalkBack commands that are visible here. See, basically we have gone to ThinkSpeak server, then apps, then TalkBack. We have created new TalkBack, and then we have set some value. I will show you this. These are the values, and we have created two commands, that is LED on, LED off. These are command IDs for these two commands. This is API key and this is TalkBack ID. So we have to replace these things in our program, that is TalkBack ID, API key, this command, and these two strings. Okay, and we will be using this TalkBack command, get TalkBack command, to communicate with this server, ThinkSpeak server. Okay, so this is our code. I have mentioned all the steps here. You need to replace these things, and along with that, these are the strings LED on and LED off that I have mentioned here. Just because the command string I have mentioned here are LED on and off. If you change this, you have to make those changes in the code also. So that's it. And for this, one more thing. See, we have to set baud rate to 115200. That is mandatory because our communication with PC is happening at baud rate 115200 that we have defined it here. 1 second, it should be in the setup. See, serial communication is happening at this baud rate. Okay, so I'll show you. I have connected Node MCU, and see, we have to select board as Node MCU 1.0, and we have to select proper driver. If this driver is not available, this port number is not available, then you have to install some drivers that I have shown in my earlier videos, and we'll flash this code. Okay, you can see while flashing LED will blink at faster rate. Basically we have two LEDs on this board, and we will be blinking, we will be controlling built-in LED on this board using TalkBack application from ThinkSpeak server. See, program is burnt. Now program is running, it is connected, and now you can see we got LED on command, and LED is on our board. That blue color LED, you can check it. Then we got LED off command, and our LED is off. So in this way, this is just demonstration using one LED, but in this way we can turn on and off different devices using this simple Node MCU, small and cheap, very cheap board, and we are controlling this LED using TalkBack command. Okay, and we can give multiple commands also. It depends on application to application. See, you can see in this code we have taken one relay also, means it is just written in the code but we haven't connected anything. If we connect any relay on pin number 16, we can turn on and off some major bigger application also, means a bigger device also, using this small board, node MCU board. So that's it guys, this is just small demo. If you like this kind of videos, please like this. If you don't, click on dislike button. If you have any doubt or some more questions regarding this, you can put it in comment box. And if you like to watch some more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. And this is Akshay Daga signing off. Thank you very much.